Alright guys, been a while since I did anything on my car. So we hit 40,000 miles about a week ago. Gave it a fresh oil change. As you can see, everything's pretty much stock. I don't know if I've ever really showed the bay. I did get some like cheap STI cap that only screws on backwards, so don't buy one of these. If you see one of these, don't buy those. They go backwards. But yeah, other than that, everything is still stock. I've had it for just about a year now, and I did store it over the winter. So as you can see, stock. I do plan on doing, starting slow. I'm trying to get as much stock time in as I can under warranty. But I mean that's not gonna last forever. But I just washed it. I'm gonna clean up the tires. There's the truck in the back. Oh, there goes the BRZ. I should try to get a view of that. BRZ. Yeah. Someone on my road's got a BRZ. It's pretty dope. Sounds good. Update on the car. I don't know. I put these side steps on by what is it? Maxton Design. They're nice. I like them. They weren't too much. Maybe $150 for the set. Then I put these rear spats on. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, I did put new pads on front and back. I went with AutoZone pads for the front. What were they? The Duralast Gold. They were just squeaking, and I was getting sick of it, so I did put these emblems on, the green Subaru emblems. The STI. I like them. They don't quite fully match the green, but it's good enough. I don't really care, I guess. It's a little tight in the garage here, but really haven't done much else to the back besides the emblem and the rear spats. I think the rear spats look good. I'll try to pull it out here in the sun a little bit and check it out after I'm fully done cleaning it. Let's get down on it a little bit. There we go. I'm gonna clean up the tires, shine up the tires, I should say. I did redo my garage floor. I didn't prepare it very well, so it didn't withstand the tires too well, but the rest turned out just fine. So yeah, I just did some Rust-Oleum, 1 part epoxy. Just kind of filled in the small cracks, and I don't know, looks a lot better than before. So I did end up putting up some pegboard on my workbench, just so I got some basic tools up. I really don't have a ton of tools, but yeah, got my jacks under here, got my stands, jack stands, whatnot under there. Cleaning supplies up here, not bad. Microfibers, cleaning, whatever. Leftover paint and shit from doing my truck. Extra parts up there. Some rotors for the truck, my brake lights for my truck. My exhaust from my STI. Them are my mufflers still from my STI. I figured I'd save them just in case. I don't know. You never know. Since I put the muffler deletes on. Yeah, but here's kind of an update video. I'm gonna try to get some driving footage. Some new. But I wanted to just kind of start with a little intro of kind of what I've done to it. Let's see, I put these things on it. I don't know how I feel about these. These are okay. I like from the inside because, when you're in looking around, I don't know, it's just that extra I don't know, you lose your little blind spot down there, but for me, I don't care. I can see everything just fine in this car. I don't think I'm gonna put them on the little back windows. Alright. Alright, so now I got space on my workbench and everything, and so that's kind of nice. I wanted to check the oil again. It's been sitting for probably 15, 20. I haven't ceramic coated it. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that yet. I've been using like ceramic detailer type stuff just to protect it, but with not driving it in the winter, I mean, I might drive it in the winter a little bit this year. Last year I didn't because it had 30,000 miles on the bulb summer tires. I wasn't about to drive it in the winter. Alright, so right about full. Probably a millimeter over the full dot. But she's been running. I'll check it again later. I know we're good, but... Alright, so it's a few hours later. Turn up the tires. Don't look much better, especially from here, but it's hard to tell. But I need to clean my rims really bad. And they're quite dry, so they're not really super shiny anymore. But anyways, shine up the tires a little bit. Okay, but I also did something. Usually I'm about removing stickers and decals, but I did something. Hopefully it looks alright. Put a couple stickers on. See how hard it is to get these off. I had a hell of a time getting the other backing off. See how hard this is gonna be. Hopefully this ain't too bad. And I went over, yeah, that's coming off pretty cleanly. Damn. See what that looks like. Not bad, nothing too crazy, but damn. Gotta be careful on the old spoiler. Not bad. What's nice about putting them up top is you don't see them from the inside at all. And I did have to throw up the air freshener. I'm gonna have to take it out, get some more shots of it, take it for a ride, see how I like it. Looks clean. Looks clean. I don't really like, you know, crazy stickers, you know, nothing too, you know, it doesn't go in the window. I don't know if you can see that there, but it's not on the window at all. One on the left, one on the right. Not bad, not bad. Represent. But yeah, alright, let's take this thing for a ride. Got the GoPro working, so drive through here quick just to see what it looks like. It's pretty nice through here. Hear what the car sounds like. Really only in like second and third gear. That's alright. I'll try to shut up now so we can hear. What it sounds like on a normal drive through, you know, through 35-mile-an-hour roads. not too loud, but it's loud enough so you can hear it. This thing really hurts my head. I don't know how people wear these things. So like I was saying earlier, put the Duralast Gold in the front because the front pads are squeaking, and ended up getting they didn't carry my rear pads when I went back for the rear pads, and then so I ended up ordering the Stop Tech pads off Subi Speed. They were pretty nice actually. Going a little fast, my bad, did not mean to do that. This is a 35-mile-an-hour road too. It's tough with these cars, man. They're pretty quick. It's tough not to speed. You know? I mean, it's not, but you know. Little biker through here. I respect all the that's why I like to maybe even drive in second gear through here. We can hear it a little more. Nice through here though, very nice. A lot of deer. You don't want to be speeding through here anyways. Fox, probably raccoon too, probably not during the day, but so you don't really want to be speeding through here. I just love that sound though. So yeah, it's just the Remark Stealth axle back muffler delete. Super easy to put on, besides the fact that I stripped a bolt and I had to cut it off, so that took me longer than normal. What was that? Probably some sort of, I don't even know. Huh. Oh, this thing is already hurting my head. I want to go this way. Today. It says it's 81. I don't know if it ever really got that high. Probably more like 78. Which is nice though. Very nice out. So yeah, we're in Sport with Auto Minus right now. You can see that. That's why if I'm gonna just drive around for fun, I like to drive out in the country. You know, less people, less chance. Yeah, there's more chance of deer and stuff, but I mean, keep an eye on that too. Yesterday, right around this corner, I saw it was either it had to have been a McLaren, and I saw a Viper too. I might try to throw the clips in here from my dash cam yesterday. Them are pretty sweet. Corn's getting pretty tall around you. forehead. I don't know how the hell people do it. It's insane. What does this look like? I moved it a little bit off the center of my forehead so it's not hurting. God damn. I feel like I should sit lower when I dab this too. Alright, here's the windows up. What it sounds like. I want to hear a little of that. We got a jogger. You can kind of hear it, or I mean, you can definitely still hear it, obviously, but you hear a little more of the intake, I feel like, when the windows are closed, which is good. A fun road. It's not crazy loud, but it's loud enough. I don't think I would want anything louder. Annoy people too much.